Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've got Notion open and signed in. Now start the change. From the left sidebar, click Settings and Members. This is where theme controls live. If you're on the web, make sure the browser window is focused and developer extensions aren't forcing colors. Once settings loads, pause, identify the appearance section labeled Theme or Color Mode. You're ready for the first actionable change. Follow the menu instead of guessing, because the option placement differs slightly by platform. In Appearance, select Dark to enable the full dark palette immediately. You can choose Light if you prefer or use System to let your OS control the mode. That option keeps Notion consistent across apps. Once you click a choice, Notion previews on your current pages so you can scan text contrast and block visibility. Make sure to open a variety of pages, databases, full-width pages, and code blocks, because some elements may look different and reveal if the theme fits your workflow. Finalize by checking mobile or other devices. Open Notion settings on iOS/Android and confirm appearance matches your desktop choice. If colors look off, toggle Use System or switch themes twice. Sometimes the renderer needs a nudge. Make sure to relaunch the app after changes to flush UI glitches. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall Notion to reset corrupted theme states. That usually fixes stubborn inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.